I'm not an engineering graduate or software engineer or programmer. I don't know anything about writing programming language. Then how to make such strategies for trading? I am retired from job. Will it be helpful for my trading to take certain methodology or follow? Are there any standard strategies which I can use for my trading? Um, right. So I think I'll break it down into two parts. One is that if you don't have programming experience or but you do have some idea about stats, or if you do have some idea about trading strategies, then the best way to start would be to basically start learning. So I think you can even connect with one of the representatives on QuantInsti side. Also, they can share you a lot of material which will help you get started, which is out there available on our own portals as well as on outside portals. In fact, I think just a few days back, we have just launched a course with NSC Academy as well, in which joint certification free course for option trading basics using Python, right? So on the self-paced learning or self-paced learning contra. So those kind of things, there are a lot of such stuff which is available. You can use that to get started. And then yeah, see if that is something that really interests you. So the good part is that you said that you're retired, which means that you have much more time at your hand. So you can utilize that. But the key part would be to ensure that it is something that actually which actually appeals you. So that's the thing. Are there any standard strategies which I can use it for my trading? I generally do not recommend that. There are no standard strategies which will make you a lot of money. You will always, even for a basic standard strategy or even a very complicated trading strategy, standard strategy, you will need to do some modifications to ensure that you're able to make some money out of it. Otherwise, it's standard. It's standard for a reason, which means that it will not be generating enough returns. So that's there. So good idea is to create your own. So that's important.